Hi guys, so I am in Mainz right now and let me show you. Uh, Germany has a very different vibe than France, obviously, but it's nice to be here. So, as I told you that I've come to celebrate my friend and she's my friend. Her name is Devanshi and she's also from New Delhi. Devanshi has been living in Germany since 4.5 years. She came here in April 2021. So, Devanshi, can you tell us how did you what course did you do when you came here?
So I did my master's in physical biology or cell interaction. So it's basically cell and molecular biology from
Okay,
a public university, which is in Frankfurt, a Goethe University.
okay. So before that, what did you do in India? Like, what kind of courses did you do before coming here?
So after my high school, after my 12th, I did a bachelor's in biomedical sciences from
Okay,
Delhi University.
okay,
And since for coming to Germany for a master's program, you need 13 years of education plus your bachelor's. So I needed to do 1 year course.
okay.
So
Other
I
than
did.
your bachelor's, you did an extra
Other
course.
than my bachelor's, I
Okay,
need to do a 1 year course.
okay,
So I did PG diploma in clinical research,
okay.
and then I applied to master programs in Germany, and then I came to Germany for master's.
Okay. So, do you think was it difficult for you to get into a public university? Because I have heard that lots of people prefer applying to public universities because you don't get to pay any fees here. It's just your living expenses that you need to take care of. So, was it difficult getting an admission in public university?
Yeah, that's true that you don't have to give any tuition fees if you are enrolling into a public university, but also depends on your course because some courses also require you to pay tuition fees also in public universities. But for my course, especially in research, you don't need to pay any tuition. You just need to pay minimum amount of I think 300 or 400 euros per semester.
Okay.
So so coming to your question about difficulty, yeah, it is difficult to get into a public universities because there are very minimum spots available for all the courses. But also depends on how you're doing in your how your grades are, and the SOP that you write is also very important while applying to any course in a public university. So my
Journey overall as in but how many colleges did you apply to?
I
Was it just for one public university or there were multiple universities that you
I
applied?
applied to a lot of colleges. Actually, minimum of I think you should apply to 10 to 15 colleges depending on your course, of course. If it is
Okay,
available in more universities or it is not available in a lot of universities.
okay.
So
And coming to another realistic question that people don't get, like how are the living expenses here? Like if you're someone as a student living in Frankfurt, so what are the monthly expenses a student can expect that like at least they will have to spend this much amount for a living there?
So it also depends on where you're living. I enrolled into a student Wohnheim, which is a student dormitory, which you can enroll into, but you should apply for 6 months before coming to Germany.
Okay,
And if you get a student dorm, then I had to only pay 368 euros per month
okay.
for my accommodation,
And
and
other
it
than
was
that?
and other than that, if you the health insurance is very important. For health insurance you pay around, so the health insurance is around 120 to 140 euros because it also increased for students, so it increases every year. So I am not sure about the exact amount, but when I was paying the student health insurance, for me it was around 130 euros per month. So you also have to take that into account. And for groceries, I think for me the budget was around 180, 150, 180 euros
Per month?
per month,
Okay,
but
that's
also
expensive.
depends on how uh, how you want to, because I cook all my meals myself. So I also naturally buy more groceries for myself. If the person, how often the person is cooking, also depends on that for the grocery budget. And for the other expenses for miscellaneous things.
So,
You
so
know,
in your apartment, that as you mentioned, you were paying around approximately 350 something,
360.
360. So, was the electricity and all other like water and electricity charges were included in that price?
Yeah, for
or-
a student dorm, water, electricity, Wi-Fi, everything is included in that.
and if someone does not get a student dorm immediately, so like how much is the approximate rent that they will have to pay if they are not living in a student dorm, like living in a private accommodation elsewhere other than any university dorm?
So private accommodation in Frankfurt is expensive and depends on the location that you choose to live in.
Okay.
It can cost around 500 euros, 550 or 600 euros for a single room accommodation
Okay.
in a big city like Frankfurt.
Okay. Okay, guys. So this was basically about studying in Germany, and if you feel you have any questions related to this particular field, so what was your field again?
Uh, my field is research. So my field was research related to biology.
Okay. Okay, guys. So if you feel you have any questions related, like if you're planning your journey here to come here as a student, so and if you feel you have any questions, so you can drop me a text, and I'll take her help to answer any questions that you may have. If there is any way we can help you out, then we will surely do. Thank you.